Celebrity Cruises cancels sailing on Celebrity Beyond. What you need to know. Imagine the excitement of planning your dream cruise vacation, only to have it abruptly taken away. That's exactly what happened to passengers booked on Celebrity Beyond's upcoming sailing from Miami. Celebrity Cruises has officially canceled the July 20th, 2025 cruise due to unforeseen technical issues with the ship, a decision that has left travelers frustrated and seeking answers. But here's where things get complicated. While the cruise line is doing its best to make amends, some guests may still feel shortchanged by the situation. The saga began earlier this week when Celebrity Cruises informed passengers about a delay in their voyage caused by mechanical problems affecting the ship's speed. At first, the company assured guests that repairs would be completed quickly, and the cruise would simply push back its departure by one day. However, after further inspection, the extent of the repairs needed became apparent, forcing the cruise line to take the difficult step of canceling the sailing entirely. In an official communication sent to impacted travelers, Celebrity Cruises explained the situation candidly. The message read, "Dear guest, we want to provide you with a crucial update concerning your upcoming cruise aboard Celebrity Beyond. As we mentioned previously, the ship encountered a technical challenge during its last journey that impacted its ability to maintain optimal speed. Our dedicated teams have been working tirelessly to address the issue, but additional time is required to complete the necessary evaluations and fixes. After exploring all possible solutions, we've made the tough decision to cancel the July 20th sailing. We deeply regret this unexpected change and understand how disruptive it is to your travel arrangements." So, what does this mean for the passengers? Well, Celebrity Cruises isn't leaving them high and dry. The company has outlined a comprehensive compensation package to ease the blow. For starters, anyone who paid for their cruise, even non-refundable deposits, will receive a full refund of their fare. Additionally, as a gesture of goodwill, the cruise line is offering a future cruise credit, FCC, equal to 100% of the amount they paid for their canceled trip. This credit will be issued automatically via email within the next 2 weeks. But wait, there's more. If a passenger used a previously earned FCC to book this now canceled cruise, don't worry, their original credit will be reinstated without any hassle. And if travelers booked flights through Celebrity Cruises, the company will reach out directly to assist with rebooking or reimbursing airfare costs. Those who arrange their own flights won't be left out either. The cruise line will cover up to $200 for domestic flights and $400 for international ones. Plus, passengers are eligible for a hotel reimbursement of up to $250 for one night, provided they submit receipts along with relevant booking details. Despite these efforts, some might argue that no amount of money can truly compensate for the disappointment of having a long-awaited vacation derailed. After all, cruises are often seen as once-in-a-lifetime experiences filled with relaxation, adventure, and unforgettable memories. So, was Celebrity Cruises right to prioritize safety over delivering the promised itinerary? Or should they have explored alternative solutions, such as substituting another vessel? These questions are sure to spark debate among travelers and industry experts alike. For context, the canceled sailing was slated to embark on a 7-night journey through the Eastern Caribbean, visiting picturesque destinations like Nassau, St. Thomas, and St. Martin. It's worth noting that the decision to cancel wasn't made lightly. Ensuring the safety and comfort of passengers remains the top priority for any reputable cruise operator. Still, the incident raises important questions about contingency planning and customer satisfaction in the cruise industry. Celebrity Cruises concluded their letter by expressing gratitude for the patience and understanding shown by affected guests. They apologized sincerely for the disruption and reiterated their hope to welcome travelers back aboard soon. While this outcome is undoubtedly disappointing, it serves as a reminder of the unpredictable nature of travel and the importance of flexibility when unforeseen circumstances arise. As a final thought, we'd love to hear your perspective. Do you think Celebrity Cruises handled the situation fairly? Would you accept their compensation package and give them another chance, or would this experience sour you on the brand forever? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We're eager to hear from you. Note, this article was updated on July 20th, 2025. Stay in the loop with the latest cruise news, insider tips, and exclusive deals delivered straight to your inbox. Sign up for our free newsletter today. Sign up now, https://mailchi.mp/cruisefever/lp-1. Looking for the best cruise deals? Use our tool to search multiple sites at once and find instant real-time pricing. Search now. About the author. Jay Souza is the co-founder of Cruise Fever and has spent over a decade covering the cruise industry as a writer and editor. With first-hand experience sailing on more than 50 cruises across 10 different cruise lines, John brings a wealth of knowledge and passion to his work. He resides in North Carolina and can be contacted at email protected. Celebrity Beyond cruise canceled. July 20th sailing scrapped due to technical issues. Imagine setting sail on a luxurious cruise, only to find out that your journey has been canceled at the last minute. That's the harsh reality for passengers booked on Celebrity Cruises' July 20th, 2025 sailing on the Celebrity Beyond. In a recent announcement, the cruise line cited technical issues as the reason for the cancellation, stating that the ship experienced problems with its speed during a previous voyage. The company, in a heartfelt Facebook post, https://www.facebook.com/photo/question_mark FBID=31561622763436644 set =GM. 77563916491273 Vanity =269917198818268 explained that while their teams had been working hard to resolve the issue, they needed more time to conduct thorough assessments and repairs. But here's where it gets controversial. While some might view this as a responsible decision to ensure passenger safety, others might argue that the cruise line should have detected and fixed these issues before the ship ever left port. And this is the part most people miss: the ripple effect this cancellation has on passengers' travel plans. To make amends, Celebrity Cruises is offering full refunds, including non-refundable deposits and prepaid amenities. They're also providing a future cruise credit, FCC, worth 100% of the cruise fare paid, valid for any Celebrity sailing in the next year. If passengers had already used an FCC, it will be reinstated. Refunds will be processed automatically within 14 business days. For those who booked flights through Celebrity, the company promises to assist with rebooking and will cover change fees of up to $200 for domestic flights or $400 for international flights. Additionally, guests will receive one additional night of hotel reimbursement up to $250. This incident raises an interesting question. How much responsibility should cruise lines take for technical issues that arise after a ship has set sail? Should they be held accountable for the entire cruise experience, or is it up to passengers to prepare for potential delays? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below.